Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about a company called Jetson One. They are personalized or personal aircraft making company. So I have opened their website and the Wikipedia page. So first I visit the Wikipedia page. Here you can find that Jetson is a personal ultralight known as EVOL. So this is not the showing picture is not the that aircraft. I will show you later. So they are first started their manufacturing facilities in Italy, and Mr. Thomas Patton was the investor or the founder of this company, and the company is Polish Poland company. They manufacture in Italy. So when you visit their website, you can see here what they are doing, and they post their videos on YouTube, so you can follow their channel and see what it is look like. And here you can find the picture of Jetson One. So this is how it's look. Weight is here, and top speed is 102 km per hour, and flight time is 20 minutes. So 20 minutes is feel like less time, but it will improve, I hope. And this is his front view. Fog light in here. You can order Jetson One in now, but unfortunately we received your Jetson One in 2 years. This is 2025. I look up that, and all their orders for 2026 also filled, so they have taken orders now for 2027. I will show it later. So there is news and everything, and here you can find the detail about them and how it is work, and it is have a parachute also. Rapid development time here. So weight of the Jetson One with the batteries is 150 kilograms. And empty mass is that means without batteries for 55 kilograms. Dimension is like this, and weight, flight time. So speed is limited to software. Pilot weight is 95 kilograms. So when you fly this in the US, you don't need the license to fly this, as they have mentioned in their website, and you can literally carry this from your vehicle, your car or jeep, something like this. You can include this. So from here you just have to click order Jetson One, then you can place your order. So here you can find all of their orders for this year and next year. So these are 2027 delivery. So if you place a new order, your aircraft or your Jetson One will arrive in 2027. So its price is, as mentioned here, $128,000, and you have to pay non-refundable down payment $8,000. Yeah, so this is some cool thing. If you wish to buy, you can buy it. I doesn't have any knowledge, or this is not a promotion video, but I think it is some awesome thing. Like Some times ago we used to have flying cars, and here is your personal helicopter. You can deliver it to your house. So I hope this video is much more interesting, and let's meet in another video about another interesting topic, and have a nice day. Bye bye.